Foam vs wet floral foam, which is better for your flowers. PE foam lightweight and reusable. Wet floral foam heavy after soaking. PE foam stays firm. Wet foam breaks easily. Wet foam absorbs water and weight. PE foam stays clean and dry. Inserting flowers, both hosts turn well, but PE foam keeps your hands clean. Wet foam leaves dust and mess. PE foam is relatively difficult to use, requiring considerable force to insert into the sponge, whereas floral foam can be inserted with just a light push. Both look beautiful at first. Choose the one that fits your floral style. Make your floral design simple and beautiful with the right material.